today I will be teaching you how to solve the 2x2. If you have ever tried to solve this, you will probably think that this is much easier than the regular Rubik's Cube, the 3x3. Actually, both are really hard, but with enough algorithms and memory, you'll be able to solve one of these. If you see a move such as U or R, you'll wonder what it means. First of all, U is the upper face, D is the lower face, R is the right face, L is the left face, F is the front face, and D is the back face. If you see a move that is only one letter, you turn that face clockwise. For example, if you see L, you turn the left face clockwise. But if you see a move that has an apostrophe in front of it, you turn that face counterclockwise. For example, if you see U prime or U apostrophe, you turn the upper face counterclockwise. If you see a move that has a 2 in front of it, you turn it twice. It doesn't matter if you turn that side clockwise or counterclockwise, only as long as you do the same moves twice. So, for example, if you see L2, you just turn the left face twice. Do it clockwise or counterclockwise. One sequence that we'll be using is R, U, R prime, U prime. We'll call this sequence the righty move. On a 2x2, there is only one type of piece. I will be calling this piece the corner. Each corner has 3 faces. The red, blue, and white corner will never change color. It will stay as the red, blue, and white corner, even if you scramble it. The red, blue, and white corner is still here. Red, blue, white. The same goes for the other pieces. With your scrambled cube, you next will solve the first layer. Using the righty move, you are able to solve the first layer easily. First, find a corner that has one white face. So in this case, I will be using the green, red, and white corner. Hold the corner you will be using at the bottom. If the white part of the corner is facing the bottom, it is a solved corner. So this is a solved corner.
Can I be in your video, Kenneth?
Okay. Ace. Otherwise, it is an unsolved corner. A slot is a place where a solved corner can be placed. To solve a corner, look for a corner that matches the unsolved color slot. For example, I am looking for a green and white piece to fit into the green slot. So I have to put this green and white piece into here. Now I have to put the desired corner over the slot. I already did that. So the green and white piece is over the green slot. Now I do the righty move until my corner is solved. Then look, it is solved. Also, these color matches. You only can have that. It cannot be green blue. It cannot be green orange. It must be green. And then just repeat this process until you're done with the first layer. Make sure all of these side corner colors are solved. So these 2 are green, these 2 are red, these 2 are blue, these 2 are orange.
Wait.
Another handy sequence of moves we will be using is L prime, U prime, L, U. We will be calling this the lefty move. After solving the first layer correctly, we will be placing the corners into the correct places. To permute each top layer corner, turn the cube so at least 2 corners are in the correct place. When I say correct place, I mean place the corners in a place. If the yellow face, that corner were to go upwards, that corner would be solved completely. For example, this is the blue, red, and yellow piece. This place would go in between the blue, white, red piece. So you will put it here, And then this is another solved corner. This is in the blue, orange, white place. And this is the yellow, blue, orange piece. If all corners are already solved, you can find section 5 in the description or in a pinned comment. The last algorithm we will be doing is doing the righty move 3 times. Then turn to the right. Then do the lefty move 3 times. We will be using this to completely permutate the top layer corners. Also, we will be calling this the adjacent corner swap. For the 2 unsolved edges, we will switch both corners using the adjacent corner swap. The corner swap will swap 2 corners vertically. So we have green, orange, and orange-blue solved already. So now we just need to switch these 2 pieces. So do the righty move 3 times. Then turn it to the right. Then do the lefty move 3 times as well. And you should be done permutating the last corners. After permutating the top layer corners, you'll orient the top layer corners. So turn the cube upside down so white is facing upwards. A solved corner is a corner with yellow completely facing downward. So these 2 are solved corners. Otherwise, that corner is unsolved. So in this case, we only have 2 unsolved corners. For every unsolved corner, put that unsolved corner in the bottom right. Then do the righty moves until that unsolved corner becomes solved. Use the D move to move the other unsolved corners into the bottom right. After solving all the corners, move the top face until you have solved the 2x2. And then that is it. Congratulations on getting this far with the tutorial. You could show your friends. You could, yeah. Now using the method that I just taught, I will be trying to solve the 2x2. The method I just taught, and with all the steps, missing no steps, everything's gonna be included. All right, 3, 2, 1, go. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go. If you have any questions about the tutorial, feel free to leave a comment down below. That being said, like the video, subscribe, and hit the bell. Share this video, leave a comment for support or a question. Like, subscribe, and like, and like, and like, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.
Bye.